Residents of Daura, Katsina State, if una see as they joyfully celebrate with our President Muhammadu Buhari, as this man join them do the Idil Kabir prayer, una go surprise. I come dey wonder, no be the same Buhari, be say everybody dey complain, say this man no good, this man no good. If una see unlimited happiness, if una see joy between them, these people, I come dey wonder. In fact, but wait, before I go show una this video, make una look this picture, abeg. Na Bobo be this, na our president be this. This one where him nose don't turn to pig own. Him eyes don't turn to after one. I can't dey wonder. Since when our president don't change like this? At least our president get pointed nose. This one, everything just change. I been I edit, I been the person who snap the picture and I know snap and way. But I beg, why I want disgrace now our president? And I can't bring out the worst of picture. But I beg, we can't go back to reality. Now we dey do ourselves as Nigerians. If na see as people gather say that they celebrate, they shout, say Baba, we can even to talk. Make no use na eye, see for na self. In fact, I no go surprise as Buhari go come off from that place. We go start to hear say, inside Katsina State, they don't kidnap this one. One mama don't carry. Ona they see. Person come the land, ona no complain. Say, okay, oh, this one they happen. Oh, kidnap ourselves. They no wake up that they say, okay, today we won't kidnap. Maybe that's why they celebrate Salah. I don't understand. Then say they relax. If Buhari go finish and they won't come as I say they won't come they do. I beg, who can they face this problem? Because normally, now the north, now they always face this kind of wahala. Buhari no fit go other state where people go to jubilate like this. I can't wonder, say maybe they don't pay them these people. Maybe they don't settle them with 1,000 naira, so small change. Now make the day here they so jubilate like this. Because say Baba, inside hunger, inside kidnapping, inside suffering, and people still they smile, they still they happy, they jubilate. Hey, say Buhari, say this one. It means say people know they suffer. It means say those northerners say they dey okay, they fine. In fact, they well. When they supposed to stay in their house, one make na watch. They don't even obey COVID rule. If say na 10 people gather for one place and they go down, they shall say COVID-19 day, this one day, that one day. But this one, see thousands of people waiting for there. They forget say COVID-19 day. They forget say Corona even day Nigeria. They gather themselves. But when I say Buhari they work gallantly, actively, like person where they okay. Buhari will be say if they talk, say if they talk like say he go still die, be sickness they worry him. Now he gather moda, they work like soldier like this. On a chasing our boo where we know now be this. But President abeg, do something on top Katsina State matter. Forget the prayer, yes, you follow them pray, they happy, yes. But abeg, Katsina people, this is why they talk. I don't want to come here tomorrow say somebody kidnap this one, because on a day now they jubilate, on a no complain. On a they happy, they open teeth, they shine teeth like go to they put on top of fire, and I no complain about anything. But if one come boss and I come they shall say, boy I didn't do this or boy I didn't do that one. Making an open an eye if they don't deceive one another, no. But I show other people they still get things to talk about this book. People see they complain and now they happy or they celebrate. I don't know what they celebrate. Sit down for your house. Sit down there, do your Idil Kabir, better you call her in peace. Not be until you come my side. Wait to make a point house. If say kidnappers come there now, come start to the shoot. Waiting I will talk. And I will say and I will celebrate with them. But I should say all this one settlements they inside. But Nigerians now we be our own problem. Now we dey cause our own problem. Tomorrow now we go hear another story. In fact, by that time when that story go come, I no go even do like say I hear am. I no go even put myself on top of that matter. My people beg I hear this one about Bubu. I want make I bring am come. Make na say this na hear wetin dey happen. Everything what I just hear about this whole matter, if na get anything to comment about am, make na write am inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video. On top the South African ex-president matter, this one wey name na Jacob Zuma. They say his supporters are being fans, they don't come outside. Say make they release their president for being their ex-president. Say make they release them. And I remember say one judge come outside one time say, make this ex-president come outside so that they allege him say this man they corrupt, say he don't thief money. But as the matter be, this man no come outside, he no come court Saturday. Now they come say okay, they won't send this man to 15 months in jail. Or now they here now when we talk this matter. But as being people don't begin the riot. Then they complain, they protest. May they release this ex-president. But my people, South African people, the way that they do their own protest, I know they understand. Thief, they're part of their own protesters. As they protest, now so they grab. As they protest, now so they pocket things. I don't know why South African people wanna be like this. My people now go this how they lie, but if now see things where then these people carry, make now use na eye, see for na self.
Ngazoshuta ndoda.
Hayi, shita ba, ngifaka imask manje ubonakala kanjani? Hawu. Yini the color is it?
I beg now, thiefing be this one being a riot. See person carry a whole holding the television, big television, carry and put for head. Say you go riot, you go protest. I never see this kind of protesting reach for my life. And they be like say South African people as they born on her. Before they go even name on her, they don't inject her with teeth. They don't put one small teeth, blood mix inside her because why be saying this small teeth na the teeth? Airport na teeth. On our own president going iPad on a carry. Now you don't enter places, now don't they go places, go the thief. And I see what they happen. I don't know, bear this one a lack of education, being a poverty. On our ex-president, they won't carry and go court because of say waiting, because of corruption, saying they loot money. Now, see citizens, they don't go stand there, they loot things. In fact, Shoprite don't even try for honor. They're supposed to come out for that country because on our own they overdo. Any small thing don't break inside Shoprite, go they pack their things. What do they do on her? They offend on her. Innocent people who don't know anything, now go just go they carry their market. Person will give this law on a no go in house. Okay, we won't go protest. No go stand for front of the house. Shout. On a no go there. On a carrying us. Person even get my carry tractor. They carry things. Motor. Carry load. On a get power. On a really get mind. Because this one, I don't even see anything will be like protesting inside. In fact, I should say Mandela. He will cry inside the grave when they. Ain't just wasting 27 years. Because since he's saying that in the lead on into freedom, but on our mummuness, on our supposed to be into slavery. They're supposed to tie in a bundle for once because on our mentality, it never even makes sense at all. Ordinary protest, where it's making a protest, now I don't go. Go scatter everywhere. Break places, enter KFC, I beg now the fried chicken, I won't go thief. I've been waiting, I won't go thief inside that side. Safe. The way that they behave, I know you understand. It just even make that South African country come off from my eye. And I beg, what did the president they do about this one? Now here supposed to bring out your police, all these people they thief, maybe they arrest them. If they say they want protest in peace. Anybody will go do mistake, go enter person shop, go thief, maybe they carry them, maybe they bundle and put them inside prison. If they give them like 3 months inside jail, their eyes go calm down. If like say because they know they do anything about this thief where they thief. It can't be like saying now, it can't be like saying I swear. So if you be South African, you must thief. If they start to dey put things in place, I sure say things go change. Because then these people, they need orientation. And no be only African, they need better. Make they sit there, put them sit down, then down. So if na no want something, the girls they take one. No be about saying I go come outside say, the decision when I make, I won't go do this one. But I beg wait, as they arrest this man, what you want change? This man no be on a president. Now ex they call him. I mean, I don't know the things when don't do. And I know hear the things when do. As I not saying good rich like that, what you make na vote am out. Now for live na. Now na come they complain say they arrest her. They arrest her. In fact, on a matter they vex me. My people beg, I hear this one. I want to make her bring and come. Make na service na here. Yeah, what they happen inside this South Africa where we dey. I be where them dey because me I don't even dey there with them. Now they know what they had. Anything when I feel, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no also forget to like and share this video. I go see you now for our next video.